Alright, so you know what? I had to go get another fan trellis. It ain't 72 like that one. It's just shorter. Yeah. Might be about 63, something like that. But they just already just grabbed. Just couldn't wait to grab on something to jump on up and climb on up. So this is just another update. I'm finna water. And we're gonna continue. Check them out. Check them out. Got 2, 3 lemon boys. That's what they are. Lemon boy. See? And look at here. Beep. 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 Bam. Bam. They're coming in. They're coming in. Coming in. Damn, horsefly. Oh, I'm sorry. Horseflies ain't no joke, though. Do something about them in a minute. That's what we got going on over here. But let's slide on down to the hillside. See what we got going. See, when we get these flowers going, that means we got something growing. Flowers followed by fruit. Flower followed by fruit. Flower followed by fruit. Got a lot of flowers. That means some fruits are coming. And look at what we see. Flower and fruit. Flower and fruit. But this is what I want to show you. Bam! They coming soon, baby. They coming soon. Soon enough, we'll have them. So that's what the cucumber's doing. And oh my gosh, this tomato plant is just growing out of control, but ain't nothing growing on it. Ain't nothing growing on it. But we got a few flowers, so we know some fruit coming soon. I saw one, but I can't find it no more. So, and then I'm gonna have to prop this up too. So, just a little update. Where is it? Cause it's a really small one that's just starting to bear. I can't find it though. There it is. Come on in. Alright. So what we gotta do here, gotta prop that up, stand that up tall so we can give it some support. And the way we're gonna do that is just gonna have this attached to here with a zip tie. And then we're gonna stand that up, give it some support. And I'm gonna tell you something right now. These right here are gonna save me some trouble and some hassle. Cause if you notice, I've done that here. But if this grew up in the higher, all I have to do is just add more to it. And I can grow as they grow. My trellis can grow as it grows. But with this one, I'm kind of limited. So, something to keep in mind, something to bear in mind. I need to, I ain't gonna tell y'all what I was just thinking what I'm about, but yeah. I did a little newspaper. I might take it up. Kind of prevent weeds. I still got weeds coming in. Ain't no big deal. It all water. And see, this guy here, I don't know if they just ain't getting enough water. It feels moist, but it's actually grown a little bit more. But the only thing I've done differently is put some rocks there to kind of maybe retain some of that water, because it wasn't retaining the water. But this guy here, it's just about just staying how it is. But this one here, ain't doing much of nothing. I don't think it's gonna make it. But that was a cherry tomato. That was a cherry tomato. So, that's a cherry tomato. This is a cherry tomato. This is just cherry tomato. That is also a cherry tomato. But it's flourishing. It's thriving. Lemon Boy and Mr. Stripey. So I don't know. I can't explain. I'm gonna have to do some further investigation. And the marigolds, they still doing what they do, repelling pests. So I'm gonna get out here and water it a little bit. And just keep it going. That's just a quick update. But this is my thing here. This is my signature right here. The hay bales. I ain't gotta get in no dirt. I ain't gotta worry about no weeds. I'll just get out here and get to it. Plant it, water it, let it do what it does. We have growth. We have development. GD. Growth and development. And remember, where you see flower, you will soon see fruit. The flower is followed by the fruit. Life lessons here, y'all. This is the way the world works. Not the world. Well, it's somewhat applicable to that too. But this is the world and how it works. That is too. Y'all stay great. Stay blessed.